Notion is an incredible platform that can save you a lot of energy, work, and time. But it can also be a bit difficult to use, causing us to exhaust our energy. Therefore, today I have brought 15 tips with which you can improve. To take advantage of all the space that a Notion template has, we must go to the top right, on the three dots, and then click on an option called Full Width. To change the font of the letters you have, go back to the 3 points, and in the first option where 3 types of fonts appear, you can choose the font you like the most. Adding a Notion template to the Favorites section is very easy. You just have to click on the star at the top right and it will automatically appear in Favorites. How to change Notion theme? For this you have 2 options. The first is to go to the sidebar, then go to Settings and Members, under Settings, and under Appearance. This is the first way to do it and the longest. The second is to simply use the Ctrl-Shift-L command. In Notion you have a wide variety of icons that Notion itself gives you, but there are also websites that provide you with many more icons. For example, notionicons.so, which provides you with more than 4,000 free icons. All you have to do is find the one you want, copy its link, return to Notion and paste it. You can also change the icon for a GIF, and for that we must go to Giphy, a platform with a wide variety of GIFs. To put the GIF in Notion, we must do the same as in the previous tip. Find the GIF, copy the link and paste it into Notion. Did you know that there is a hack to make a divider much faster? Well, yes, and it is simply clicking the Stripe key 3 times in a row. Making the text look clear and organized by columns is simple. What we need to do is look for the columns option in a new space and click on it, then order the texts as you want. Many people wonder how they can make these colored dividers. Well, doing this is not that complex, we just have to look for the equation option and write this formula. Then you can modify the divider by changing its color, length, and size. To make blocks in which to put important information or other things is very simple. First we must select the desired text, then go to Turn Into, then Call Out, and that's it, and finally put what we want inside. To adjust the view from a monthly calendar to a weekly one, or vice versa, we have to go to the 3 points, then Layout, and where it says Show Calendar as, select Week. How to make tasks appear with an already established icon. What we have to do is, go to the drop-down next to New, then we create a new template and give it a name and icon. Then we will go to the 3 points of this same template and set it as the default. Something that we all like is to have automated and recurring tasks without having to create them ourselves all the time. To do this in Notion is not difficult. The first thing of all is to go to the drop-down menu next to New, click on the 3 dots of a template, indicate if we want this task to be repeated every day, week, month, and set the time at which we want it to appear. And now we just have to wait for the task to create itself at the established time without us having to do anything. To make a task disappear when we check it, we must do the following. Go to the filter option, click on the checkbox property and select unchecked. Did you know you could add video in Notion? Doing it is very easy. What we have to do is go to YouTube and search for the video we want. We will enter it and copy its link. Then we will return to Notion, paste the link, and click on Embed Video. Finally, I want to tell you that if you have watched this video until the end, you are an incredible person in terms of patience and attention span, and this says a lot about you. So if you like this video, I just ask you to subscribe, really. With this you would help me a lot, and with that said we say goodbye here and see you in the next video.